If you're watching this video, you've tried baits, poisons, and traps without successfully getting rid of mice or rats. I was right there with you. So let me show you a quick DIY hack that I found that will almost guarantee you success. To start off, I can't claim this as my own original idea. I got the idea from Shawn Woods, who has a massive YouTube channel and has done hundreds of videos on catching mice and rats. I'll put the link to his channel in the video description, so thanks Shawn for the idea. This hack is built around a standard rat or mouse trap, literally around it. The idea is to force the rodent to come at the trap head on the way it was intended. Yes, it may still work if they come from the sides, but I've seen video footage of ninja rats jumping back on the sides, or very smart rats using sticks or other objects to set off the trap from the side, where the trigger is easily in reach. To force the mouse or rat to deal with the trap head on, I built a quick and dirty wooden box with some scrap wood I had laying around. Now it doesn't need to be pretty or indestructibly strong. It just needs to be a box with only one opening. And the whole trap needs to fit inside without a lot of extra room on the sides. If you aren't handy with tools, you could modify a cardboard box or plastic tub, as long as it's the right size for the trap. Here you can see how it works. The trap is baited and armed, and then slid inside the wooden box from the front. So let's see how it performed. After finishing the box, I waited until evening to set everything up. Now I'm not an expert on using these traps, but when you bait the trap, you definitely want it to be hard for the rodent to eat without setting off the trap. If you just set a piece of cheese on top, they may be able to snatch the cheese without setting off the trap. But using peanut butter forces them to get their head in there to lick the peanut butter out and put their weight on the trigger mechanism. The next morning, I checked the trap to see if it worked. Finally, success. This little guy had given me fits for months. He defeated me at every turn. And I got a little lucky here, as I only trapped him by the foot. So he was definitely trying not to go in head first. But because the box limits their options, it's only a matter of time until they make a mistake and get killed. Hopefully this hack gives you guys some ideas and helps you win your war against vermin. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing for more DIY projects in the future.